Valentine is coming. Hello lovelies, you are welcome back again to my channel. That beautiful season is here again, the season of love, the season of sharing, the season where we gift our loved ones beautiful gifts. Do you have your gift already or you are still contemplating on what to get? I hope this video inspires you. If I may ask, what is your plan for Valentine this year? Do you want to do it the conventional way or you want to change your pattern? For me, I am changing my pattern because regular can be very boring. So if you have not thought of what to get your loved ones, then I think this is a perfect gift for them. And it's something that can last forever. Like you are going to put a lasting memory in the minds of your loved ones. So if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. If you are yet to subscribe, please do. So these were the materials I got for this craft, just 4 things. But before I proceed, I would love to show you where I got the items. I got them at Dollarama. Dollarama is a popular store here in Canada. I think we have them in US. Then in UK, I think it's called £1 store. Because the truth is, all these things are very cheap in Dollarama, but I don't know how much they will be in other stores. So on that fateful day, I went there and I felt like buying everything. As you can see, they all look lovely. I was just doing many money more. I didn't even know the particular one to buy because everything was entering my eyes. But I didn't go for that pink one because it didn't really give me that red color. But at the end of the day, I got those 2 I use in making the craft. And as for the canvas, we have different sizes. So more like I bought a medium size canvas. But if you want a small size or just something moderate, you can also get it at different prices. But trust me, all the money I used in getting these stores was not up to 20 Canadian dollars. You can imagine. What you see on the board is disposable plate. I bet most of you didn't know. So as you can see, it's a disposable plate. I bought it because of the design on it, like it was giving Valentine. So the next thing I did was to grab my glue, liquid glue. I started applying it to the base or the bottom of the plate, which I will be placing on the canvas. Note, you can make use of your ruler or your measuring tape to get the center of this board. But if you are good at judging with the eyes like me, then you can just, put it directly without having to measure or to know if the right side is equal to the left side. So when I was done doing that, I started placing this little heart shape. As you can see, you don't even need glue for these ones because it's more like stickers. Yeah. One thing about this craft is you mustn't follow a definite pattern. So I was just sticking it on different parts of the board. This part of this DIY did not stress me at all because I would just grab one sticker, take out the back and stick it to the board. That was basically what I was doing. At some point, I started making a heart shape with the stickers because I had so much of it and I needed to just exhaust everything on this board. You get. If you're watching this video and thinking about what to get your loved ones, you don't need to stress yourself at all. In fact, you don't even need to break a bank. This is a very good gift to give out to anybody this period. It will be so appreciated. Just do it, package it, and gift it out. That's it. It's that simple. I began to ask myself, I said, what really inspired me to even create this? Because obviously I didn't see it anywhere. I just imagined it and I felt I could make it. And when I did, I was happy at the result. Okay, so you can do it and give it out to anybody you love. You can also make this for yourself. You can keep it in the house. You can use it to beautify your sitting room. After all, you don't also forbid good things, or do you? I believe your answer is no. As you can see, guys, it's taking a beautiful shape already. At this point, my son joined me because he was loving it. It was something he believed he could help his mom to do. Why not? I gave him the opportunity. So he's also joining me to make this beautiful Valentine craft.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
One unique thing about this craft is that you can't easily find it anywhere, because I didn't see it anywhere except someone watches this video and goes to recreate it, which is totally fine. After all, that's why I'm making content like this. So guys, you can even add your own creativity to it. It must not be this way, and that's why it's DIY. If you have watched this video to this point and you haven't given it a like yet, or you are still contemplating if you should subscribe or not, please, you can change your mind to subscribe and like this video. Not just liking this video, also share it, because Valentine is near and this will like give so many people answers to their questions, you understand, on what to get, on what to make and the rest of it. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and as you can see, my Valentine craft is ready. Okay, beautiful gift for anybody, be it a man or a woman. By the way, guys, can you see that this craft is matching with the design on my shirt? Did you see that? Well, I got it from Temu, in case you want to know where I got it from. So that's it, guys. I really hope this video has been helpful. If you have any correction, suggestion, or you have any question at all, kindly let me know in the comment section. See you all in my next video. Bye.